Here, hold on. I got it. I got it.
What we use back home.
This should help. Use back home. I'm gonna crawl up to here. Fuck it, we ball. I'm by myself. Damn! Her top is glitched.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I could see a lot of cleavage. I'm not complaining, but like, goddamn.
Hey you, yes you watching this video. Wanna see more of Yuisakii? I mean, who doesn't? However, almost 90% of you aren't subscribed. So maybe scroll down and subscribe, and since you're already there, maybe turn on the notifications or drop a like. And if you want to keep up to date with everything within the Yuisakii community, the Discord is in the description. Love you all and enjoy the video.
Oh, there's a rainbow in my ass pocket. Hey, Johnny.
Can I use that?
Hey!
Hey.
Fucking Leland got me caught!
The dick.
Sorry.
You're good, you're good.
Here we go. Are they gone? Please, let them be gone. Go obey, damn it.
You think he turns it off just so he can get to us?
That'd be great.
I think they left.
He is.
They turned it off again.
There has to be a way out of here. Just be
How far do we
smart.
have to run?
They're too close.
I don't know.
I hope the others are okay.
Just make sure you're in front of me. That's all I have to say.
Are they gone?
They're all running this way.
Oh, no, they're
Look at Sunny.
They're everywhere.
Run.
I won't leave me alone. Help!
You dumbass bitch.
Please!
Sunny made it too.
Let's fucking go!
Oh, you
Okay, go,
poor
go,
little
go.
thing!
I just ran 3 circles, bro.
I can get help.
Oh my god.
Y'all did such a fantastic job.
Yeah, they folded there. That was awful. Run, Carrie, run.
I duped them out.
Don't come over here.
You definitely did. Damn, you broke his ankle.
Please let my friends be okay.
Tastes good, don't it?
Oh, no, they're back. Stay quiet.
Okay, I made it back to the basement.
Just think, there's got to be a way out.
This is so glad. I'm by myself. A lone, lonely loner.
Fucking prick. I'm going in the basement again.
Oh, I see you. I think I just.
Dude, like, what are you doing, Leatherface? You are fucking dumb. Fucking weird ass motherfucker.
You better not be messing with Grandpa. Gonna find yourself in a... See when you maybe do...
Are you picking a lock right now?
Nope, I'm being chased!
Oh, okay. Going for the front door right now. I was, until this piece of shit decided to pull up on me. Alright. Oh, he opened this bitch right.
I just saw you. Here.
They're coming down. Alright, I'm going up.
Shit. Quiet. Shit. Shit. Okay. Now, just be
Nice.
quiet. This might lead to the others.
Okay, I see you. They're distracted.
I have to find the others. It can't be, right?
We got this, we got this. Easy, easy. Do you want to do the battery? I can open the thing.
Julie, I'm right here.
Yeah.
Oh, my speakers.
Okay.
It's open.
Freaking girl power for you right there.
What is this? Front gate? What is this?
Car graveyard.
Hey, the car graveyard exit's completely open. Everything's turned off. If you can get out of the house into the back garden, just book it. Oh, there's that tiger. Hey, let's go.
Somebody! Anybody! Help us! Help! Help me! It's open.
See that shed in front of you? Like towards your right? There should be a toolbox in that one.
In there.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, what's this? A lockpick?
Don't move. Don't. Oh my god. Hitchhiker is close, by the way. If you can get to those bushes, I'd wait it out.
What do I do with this?
There's only 2 of us. I don't know if I can move.
Leatherface in the front yard. And then Hitchhiker's relatively close. Okay, I just go straight ahead. I think you can make it over there. Oh my god. You scare me every time Grandpa screams. Oh my god, my heart sinks. Alright, you're good.
Keep going straight.
Yeah, go through that little hole right there. Now it's up to you whether you want to get the car battery first or the gate first. I always get the gate first, but that's just me. I think they're too busy fucking with the guy inside. Can't you pop your ability before you hit the trap? And then like it would like counter it out or no?
I don't know.
I say send it. Just fucking spam that trap off and then fucking send it.
Yes.
No, I would have turned go turn the generator off. Go fucking turn that car battery off right fucking now. You just gotta hold it. Yeah. Oh, you're fucking golden.
Shh! Don't say that!
No. I have 100% faith. Fucking book it. Good fucking job. Good job.
Oh, of course
You're
it's
still alive. What the hell's
you.
going on?
Making so much noise.
Oh god. Oh god.
This guy
Was I
grunted.
making noise?
No. Your character just
Say,
groaning in my ear.
oh, when we played with Scroat, like he had Anna and I had Julie, and they were just
Oh,
like
he's right there!
instinct.
Oh, he's right there!
Shit.
Anyways, sorry about that.
I don't know. Are they really?
Fuck Grandpa.
I can use that.
God damn it, Costa!
My fault, yo, I'm getting chased. He called me off the bat. Low as fuck.
Thanks.
Couldn't
Let him
use my
away from
script.
me so this works.
I don't know what this is.
Bro,
What door are you
don't
guys
have
opening?
a-
Nah, I'm not even near him anymore.
Doing north storage room.
Where the fuck
Been
is
a-
that?
they've been
But
up
this
the
dick
furnace
sucker
room.
is on me. This guy is blowing dicks and he's on me.
Okay.
Let's see if I can pull up and stab him. Alright, I have a
Yes,
furnace room open.
Oh, thank God.
Furnace room open. Put that on something, my nigga. Put that on something, my nigga. Oh, they out. Is that ladder exit?
Yep.
Yeah.
Garage ladder.
Get it on, bro. I'm up here. Psycho boy escaped from the basement.
Thank goodness Psychobot got out.
Through.
Oh, God. Let me check out what a fuse box is at.
You're too stupid to
Alright,
get
it's by the red doors. It's by the red doors. I think the hitchhiker's still like by the slaughterhouse, like by the car battery, I think. Not car battery, generator.
Is it this way?
This
taking
is
that
in
as yes,
mid.
'cause
I can
you're
grab it. I
fucking
can grab it
sprinting
right now.
everywhere.
I gotta stay focused.
No. The fuse box isn't over here. It's on the other side. I'm looking for a fuse.
For a
I got
fuse?
one.
Yo, don't. I got the hitchhiker in a fucking
Close encounter by the fuse panel.
I'm about to cut him up. You beat his ass? Don't worry, I'm about to stab him in the back. Check it. I don't know the stab in the back thing. How do you grapple somebody on console?
Oh wait, I don't know about console. Fuck. He just sat there perplexed, bro. He's like, what?
Sissy's right outside.
I'm out.
Sissy's by the red door.
Yo, y'all got barn open, right? Like y'all went through the barn. To
Oh
come
shit,
up?
I forgot I gotta hit space. I'm bugging.
Yeah.
Someone unlock barn door if we haven't. I'm about to put the fuse in.
Facts. Oh, say that. Yes, Dawn, you just got chased by Sissy and shit. I'm not even gonna lie.
Oh, hey, I'm
Sissy
right behind you. I'm right
and
behind you.
Hitchhiker.
Alright.
Sissy and Hitchhiker are in the barn. Dawn, you good?
You get me, bro.
My
I'm getting fucked
my
up.
bash is coming up in like a couple seconds.
You want me to open this?
Run, bitch, run.
Fuck it, I'm opening this.
Go through. My barge is coming up in a second. I'm about to save your life.
No.
Call me your hero.
Barn.
Oh, basement exit open. Wait.
We're all here,
No
fuck.
fucking way.
Well, Hitchhiker's chasing me.
Wait, dog, the door isn't open. Barn door isn't open, I think.
No, it's not.
That's why I said open
I'm going
it.
to it now. We had Hitchhiker and Sissy.
Standing by it.
Going to another.
We gotta speed. You gotta speed run this mini game, bro. Come on.
I can get the ladder that goes down from garage. It's open.
No, it broke. Okay.
Bruh.
Where is...
That's cool. We can
Leave
just
it
flip
to
the.
this
We can just.
guy.
We can just flip the fuse box again. It's cool. Hold up. Do any of you have any health? I can distract them till it closes and we can reopen it.
I just need a lockpick.
I have two. I'm already
As
back
this
down in the
nigga uses,
basement.
I hate you, dog.
My beef, bro.
Oh, then get.
You said speed
Then
run
get the door
and I-
center in the basement. I'm going back to the fuse box, or Tyler. Don't even worry about it.
I'm
Do y'all
not.
want me to open the one by the exit?
Yeah.
This will help.
Got you. Hold up. The stair one, right?
Alright.
Yeah.
Yo, Tyler, did they find you after I got trapped
it's
or
unlocked.
no?
I'm waiting
Yes.
for y'all to get closer so I can just open it.
It's on.
It's open, it's open.
I'm going for that. Tyler, do you need help or you can run through?
Hopefully I just run.
I'm waiting for y'all. It's
I got
open.
all 3 killers on me right now.
Alright, pull up. I could barge some. Oh, yes, sir. My God. I'm going, bro.
Go,
Alright.
go.
Bro, I'm fucking stuck. What the fuck is that shit?
Go.
Holy.
Let him go.
Go, Conso, go, motherfucker!
I just went around to the stairs. They just stopped.
Gotta keep going.